Hey guys, welcome to PC Tips Pro. This is Shrija over here, and in today's video we're gonna see how to make a portfolio website in WordPress. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get into the video. So in this video, let's say you are a professional and you want to showcase your skills on a portfolio website. So how can you build one? So we will see how can you build this website in two major steps. So our first step will be launching your WordPress site. So how to launch your WordPress site I have already explained in the previous videos, but let's have a brief overview of it. Like, let's look over them once. So first is you need to choose your WordPress site, like which WordPress site name you need to choose, like what name you need for your WordPress site. And the second will be getting your hosting and domain. So hosting is something where your portfolio website look just gets saved, and the domain is where it's something called as your website address. So next, our third step will be, after getting this hosting service and domain, I have just shown this how can you get this hosting service providers and the domain names in the previous videos. You can go back to the videos in the videos section of the PC Tips Pro channel. And our third step will be installing WordPress, and I have shown how can you install the WordPress in the previous videos. So this is for the first step, that is launching your WordPress site. So after launching your WordPress site, our second step will be to create our portfolio website. So we can create our portfolio website in few simple ways, simple steps. So our step one, let's go to the WordPress dashboard. So this is how your website looks at the very beginning after you launch your site. So this is how it actually looks like after, just after you just create this WordPress, just after you install this WordPress. So now we will see how can you change this basic site into a professional portfolio website to showcase your skills. So now let's get started. So this is your WordPress dashboard. So now when you get to this WordPress dashboard, firstly we need to install our theme. So to install the theme, go to this appearances, and here you can see themes. So click on themes, and when you go back to when you get back to this themes, click on add new theme. So you get this search bar. In the search themes, you search for arrival me. So let's search for it, arrival me. So search for this. So when you search, you get your themes. So now you can see this arrival me theme has been has it is here. So we need to install this theme. So click on install. So once it is installed, click on activate to activate this theme on your website. So now we will visit our site, and we'll see how our site has been changed. So this is how it changed, but we can now we need to import some ready-made designs, and we can edit our content. So we'll see how can you import some designs and how to edit the content on the website. So it is somehow changed now, and we'll further change it and make it look like more professional. So in order to install or import this ready-made design, we need to go to the appearances. In the appearances, go to the arrival setup, and here you can see, let's get started. Click on it. So here, go to the import demo, So once you click on import demo, you need to import this. It is already imported in mine. So to import this, click on import and you need to install these 4 plugins. You can just click on install now here and you can install them. For me they are activated, and then go to the next step and click on install this demo. So this demo will be imported to your website so that this design will be added to your site. So it will take a couple of seconds to import this entire thing onto your page, and then now let's see the result. So this is how our website looks like. So we can just see, like, you have all the things, like you can just customize this. So now we will go to the next step, that is we need to edit with the Elementor in order to change this content on this page. So click on edit with Elementor. So you can now customize this design, like you can select the text and you can add your own text, like the name here is given as John Doe. You can give your own name, like you can say Ishan, and you can showcase your skills, like you can say your you can say if you are some other like software developer, or if you are some other uh, if you are from some other field, you can mention it over here. You can give a brief description about you, like about yourself. You can change this text on the button, like you can just select this and you can say you can say this button redirects to your resume or your CV or anything, your download your resume. So then here about me, you can change this, like you can change this content completely, like you can just you can select here, and here you can change the content, or else you can you can directly change it from here to, sorry, you can change it like this from here. And then if you want to change the picture, like you can see this background picture over here, if you want to change this background picture, and if you want to change this picture which is over here in this about me, you can just click on this picture and you can choose image, click on choose image, and you can select files from your PC and you can drop them here or you can upload them here, and you can click on insert media to change the pictures over here. And then if you want to, you can change the skills also, like click on the skill and you can give the skill name. You can change the skill name according to your skills, like you can just give it to be some other skill, we'll just say some skill called as we'll say our programming skills like Python. When you say it, and you can change the percentage by just dragging this percentage section, like how much percentage you award yourself for this particular skill. So we can change this like this. You can change other skills too and other percentages also. And then you can change this counting number. You can change this uh, and text, like you can see happy clients. You can add even more something more creative, and you can here you can change the ending number also, your count. You can change your count. And then so in this way you can edit all the content on your website. And if you want to delete any of the block, like this is one block, this get in touch is one block, and having something to write is one block. If you want to uh, delete any of the block, just hover onto the block and then click on this so that the block is deleted. And if you want to add a new block, so click on this and then go to blocks. So once you go to blogs and you can search for your blog, like you can uh, search if you have any particular, or you can just look at here and we'll just select some category, like what kind of blog are you searching for. So I'm searching for my testimonials. So when you look for this testimonials, you have many blogs here. You can choose any blog that you feel like it's for your website. So I feel like you can go with this, or you can go with this. So go to the click on the blog, click on the blog to preview it, and then if you like it, click on insert. So in order to insert, you need to sign in to the Elementor. So just click on get started. You can sign in and you can click on insert to get the blog onto your website. So now we will see how can you change this menu. So to change this menu, click on customize. So once you click on customize, you will be landed upon something like this editing page. And now click on this icon and click on edit menu, and then now you can choose the section which you want to remove. Like if you want to edit this menu, if I want to remove this process, click on the process, and then as you scroll down you can see this remove option. So click on remove, and if you want to add a new menu item, click on add items and custom links, and here you can give the text that what you want to add to the menu. Like if you want to if I want to add testimonials, so I'll give this, and URL will be the menu item name with the hashtag. So let's give hashtag, and my menu item name will be testimonials, and click on add to menu. So now, so if you want, you can even change this order of these items. Like you can drag this testimonials up, and you can do this like you can, by dragging you can reorder them. So now we will go back to our site and we'll see how it changed. So now when you're let's see, as our changes are published to this, let's click on publish. So now you can see testimonials is being added to the menu. So let's click on the testimonials. It will take you to nowhere. So how can you make this work? For this, let's go to the section testimonials, which we need to add actually. So if I want to make it to redirect to this section, click on this. So once you click on it, go to the advanced settings, and here you can change the CSS ID. So if I give it to be testimonials, and let's update it, and now let's click on testimonials, and now it will take you to that particular block. Like it's all about you need to change the CSS ID in order to redirect to the particular menu item. So this is all for this video guys, and in this way you can make your own professional portfolio website. I hope you guys found this video useful to you, and don't forget to subscribe to the PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching guys.